Alright guys, so I was a little bored, so I decided to film the BRMP exhaust getting taken out. So we'll just try and see if we can pop these off here. I might need to grab some scissors. That's actually really well packaged here. There's staples and everything. Hold on. Put you right there. Yeah, but so far, packaging's nice. Pop that out with scissors. It's kind of hard to do this in one hand, but let's see if we pop that up. All right, let's see if this will slide right out from here. Sorry if the freaking quality of this is bad, but well, I guess it was supposed to open up the other way, but oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's going to look good. I'm not going to take it complete. Actually, maybe I will. Yeah, we'll take it out. Styrofoam. This is just the piece that hooks up. This is just a slip-on exhaust. Here, I'll just put you down for a second. Cut this open. Wow. Look at that. That's insane. Well, I'll show you in a second. Now that is a beauty right there. Yeah. Look at that. Hold on. Let me flip the camera. Look at that. BRP. BRP. Wow, that's sick. See my reflection in it. But, yeah, that's it. I was going to show you that. It's pretty sweet. Packaged really well. Look at this. Shment. All right, we'll put this on and I'll post a video of what it sounds like. Can't wait. Catch you in another one.